W for wheezing. We all have bronchial tubes which carry air to our lungs. If there is bronchoconstriction, which means your breathing tubes becoming narrow because of an inflammation or mucus buildup, the air passing through them can make a whistling sound like this. This is known as wheeze. Wheezing is a very common symptom of asthma, especially in children. If you hear yourself or your child wheezing while breathing, consult your doctor today. It may indicate asthma, but that is no reason to worry. Because there is a safe and effective way to manage asthma, inhalers. asthma के लिए inhalers है सही,